What's up guys, I'm Sean. Today we're going to replace the selector rod joint on my E46 M3 track car. This is the part I picked up from BMW World. It's about 20 bucks. So the selector rod joint connects the shift lever to the transmission, and when this joint starts to go bad, the shift lever will have a little bit more slop. So hopefully this $20 part will tighten up the shifting. I'm running the BMW World solid race shifter and the UUC dual shear selector rod. So hopefully replacing the joint will get rid of some of this slop. Get the car safely on jack stands. I dropped the other half of my section 1 exhaust using a Torx E12 bit and a 14 on that side. And on this side was a 13, but yours could be different because mine has aftermarket hardware. And my section 1 exhaust, half of it has been cut off. So that's why it's a lot easier to work with. And now I just have to remove the tin and then pull the heat shield back. There's the selector rod above the drive shaft, and it goes to the selector rod joint. I disconnected the shift lever from the selector rod. I don't know if you can see this, but then there's a lot of play in the stock selector rod joint. Here it is, the stock selector rod joint is out. Basically you move the clip off and then this pin will slide out. So once the pin comes out, then you can pull the selector rod joint off. So the old one, the foam is pretty much gone, whereas the new one has nice and firm foam in here. And I think this foam is going to minimize some of the play. I'm going to put on my aftermarket dual shear selector rod first, so it can give me a little bit more leverage and force while I push this into the transmission and try to line it up so the pin will drop into place before I move this clip over. The selector rod joint pin is in and the clip is back on. The good thing is that I didn't have to drop the transmission brace or lower the transmission at all. It can be done with small hands and a lot of patience. Alright guys, put the car back together, went for a quick test drive. There's definitely less slop in neutral and less slop in gear. You're not going to completely eliminate the slop because the joint is designed to move. I did notice that the car shifts smoother when I'm driving. Factory joint that I removed, the foam insert was pretty much gone. So this new joint makes the car shift smoother and eliminate a little bit of the slop. It's not night and day difference, but it's noticeable. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Thanks for watching.